Part C. What are the search strategies of AI? Explain them. Searching strategies. Introduction. Searching is process to find the solution for a given set of problems. This in artificial intelligence can be done by using either unformed searching strategies or either informed searching strategies. Uninformed search strategy. These further includes two techniques. These are breadth first search, depth first search. Breadth first search. In breadth first search is the root node of the graph is expanded first, then all the successor nodes are expanded, and then their successor and so on. That is, the nodes are expanded level wise starting at root level. Informed search strategy. Informed search strategy further includes two searching techniques. A asterisk search technique, B AO asterisk search technique. A asterisk search technique. A asterisk search techniques is an informal search strategy but can be called as form of best first search. It is a search technique which the most optimistic node is expanded by the expanding a graph, that is g of n and h of n. Here g of n equal to cost or distance to reach node n, h of n cost or distance to reach from node n to the goal node. For evaluating a node, function of f of n generated and used as f of n equal to g of n plus h of n, where f of n is estimated cost or distance of solution through node n. AST technique working. In the first step, two sets are maintained. Open set, it contains the set of nodes that needs these visitor examined. Closed set, it contains the set of nodes that have already been visited or examined. Every individual node and maintenance function g of n, h of n and f of n. Each node also maintains link pointer to its parent nodes that the best solution can be retrieved and found. AO asterisk algorithm. AO asterisk algorithm is the modified version of A asterisk algorithm in order to cover up the limitations of A asterisk algorithm. AO asterisk uses a single structure, that is G, unlike two sets open and closed that was used in A asterisk algorithm. The structure G represents the part of the graph that has been generated so far. Each node of structure G is always connected either to its immediate successor or predecessor. The nodes of the structure G also contains their respective distance or cost from each other. The cost between the starting node to current node n of structure G is not stored. Through this, AO asterisk is always able to find solutions with minimum cost. Explain frame systems and semantic networks. The frame contains information on how to use the frame, what to expect next, and what to do when the expectations are not met. Some information in the frame is generally unchanged, while other information stored in terminals usually changed. Terminals can be considered as variables. Top level frames carries information that is always true about the problem in hand. However, terminals do not have to be true. Their value might change with the new information encountered. Different frames may share the same terminals. Each piece of information about the particular frame is held in a slot the information can contain. Facts or data values called facts. Procedures if needed, if added. Default values for data. For procedures, other frames or subframes, features and advantages. Here, frames terminus are already filled the default values, which is based on how the human mind works. For example, when a person told a boy kicks a ball, most people will visualize particular ball. One particular strength or frame based knowledge representation is that unlike semantic networks, they allow for expectation in particular instances, and this gives frames amount of flexibility that allow representation of real world phenomenon to be reflected more accurately. Following the rules of inheritance, any value given salt inherited by subframes will be updated if added to the corresponding slots in the subforms. Any new instances particular frame will further feature that new value as the default. The simplified structure of frames allow for easy analogical reasoning, a much reprised feature in any intelligent agent. A semantic net is a knowledge representation technique of proportional information, so it is also called a proportional net. Semantic nets convey meaning. They are two-dimensional representation of knowledge. Mathematically, the semantic net can be defined as a labeled directed graph. Semantic nets consist of nodes, links, and link labels. In the semantic network diagram, nodes appear as circles or ellipses or rectangles to represent objects such as physical objects, concepts, or situations. Links appear as arrows to express a relationship between objects, and link labels specify particular relations. Relationship provide the basic structure of organizing knowledge. The objects relation need also, as nodes are associated with other nodes, and semantic nets are also referred to as associative nets. In the above figure, all the objects within ovals and connected using labeled arcs. Note that there is a link between Jill and female reasons with label member of. Similarly, there is a member of link between Jack and male persons and sister of link between Jill and Jack. The member of link between Jill and female persons indicates that Jill belongs to the category of female persons. Describe belief networks. Belief networks are used to model uncertainty in a domain. The term belief networks encompasses a whole range of different but related techniques which deal with reasoning under uncertainty. Both quantitative Bayesian probabilities or quantitative techniques are used. Influence diagrams are extension to belief network. They are used when working with decision making. Belief networks are used to develop knowledge based application domains which are characterized by internet uncertainty. The basic idea in belief in network, the problem domain model is a set of nodes interconnected with arcs from directed acyclic graph. Each node represents random variables or uncertain quantity which can take two or more positive values. Within a belief network, the belief of each node conditional probability is calculated based on observed evidence. Various methods have been developed for evaluating node beliefs and for performing probabilities inference. The most popular methods are due to Puig and Pearl and Lauritsen and Spiegelhalter. Similar techniques have been developed for constraint networks. In the development, formalism in additional numerical representations of uncertainty. Other work, example Cohen, has concentrated on non-numerical uncertainty handling. However, all these schemes are basically the same type. They provide a mechanism to propagate uncertainty in the belief network, and formalism to combine evidence to determine the belief in node. Applications: medical design, diagnostic systems, real-time weapons scheduling, Intel process fault design, OSIS, Intel generator monitoring, expert system, General Electric troubleshooting, Microsoft. Belief networks are also being employed as a data mining technique which provides fuzzy information retrieval, replacing traditional Boolean logic. Microsoft is looking at providing this technology in its online entertainment service, using to match loosely defined user requirements with information on entertainments. What are the practical applications of natural language processing? Describe them. Machine translation. As the amount of information available online is growing, the need access it becomes increasingly important, and the value of natural language processing applications become clear. Machine in translation helps us conquer language barriers that we often encounter by translating techniques. Manuals with machine translation technology is not translating words but in understanding the meaning of the sentences to provide a true translation. Automatic summarization. Information overload is a real problem when we need to access specific important piece of information from a huge knowledge base. Automatic summarization is relevant not only for summarizing of the meaning of documents and information, especially relevant when used to provide an overview of a new item or blog post while avoiding redundancy from multiple sources and maximizing the diversity of content obtained. Sentiment analysis. The goal of sentiment analysis is to identify sentiment among several posts or even in the same post where emotion is not always explicitly expressed. Companies use natural language processing applications such as sentiment analysis to identify options and sentiment online to help them understand what customers think about their products and services. I love the new iPhone and a few lines later, but sometimes it doesn't work well. Where the person is still talking about the iPhone and overall indicators or their reputation, which can be extremely relevant in the understanding and driving purchasing decisions. Text classification make it possible to assign predefined categories to a document and organize it to help if you find information you need or simplify some activities. For example, an application of text categorization is spam filtering in email, question answering is speech understanding technology, and voice input applications improve the need for NLP will only increase. Question answering is becoming a more and more popular thanks to applications such as Sri, OK, Google chat boxes and virtual assistants. A QA application is a system capable of coherently answering a human request for search engines and is one of the main application of natural language processing research. Using a natural language processing for creating a seamless and interactive interface between human with machines will continue to be a top priority for today's and tomorrow's increasingly cognitive applications. Explain Bayesian belief networks. Bayesian belief network is key computer technology for dealing with probabilistic events to and solve problem which has uncertainty. We can define a Bayesian network as a Bayesian network is a probabilistic graphical model which represents a set of variables and their conditional dependencies using a direct acyclic graph. It is also called Bayes network, belief network, decision network or Bayesian model. Bayesian networks are probabilistic because these networks are built from a probability distribution and also use probability theory for prediction and lead detection. Real world applications are probabilistic in nature and represent the relationship between multiple events. We need a Bayesian network. Bayesian network can be used for building models from data and experts options, and it consists of two parts: directed acyclic graph, table of conditional probabilities. Generalized form of Bayesian network that represents the solving decision problems and uncertain knowledge is known as an influence diagram. A Bayesian network graph is made up of nodes and arcs. Each node corresponds to the random variables, and variable can be conditions or discrete. Arc or directed arrows represent the causal relationship or conditional probabilities between random variables. The directed links are arrows connected the pair of nodes in the graph. These links represent that one node directly influence other node. The base These links represent node another node. And if there are no direct link, that means that nodes are independent with each other. In the above diagram, A, B, C and D are random variables represented by the nodes of the network graph. If we are considering node B, which is connected with node A by a directed arrow, then node A is called the parent of node B. Node C is the independent of node A. The Bayesian network has mainly two components, casual component, actual numbers. Each node in the Bayesian network has conditional probability of distribution P of xi, parent x of xi, which determines the effect of the parent on that node. Explain utility and multi-attribute utility. Utility functions are a product of utility theory, which is one of the disciplines that helps to address challenges building knowledge under uncertainty. Utility theory often combined probabilistic theory to create what we know as decision theoretic agents, conceptually decision theoretic agent. An AI program that can make rational decision based on what it believes and what it wants. Utility theory is the discipline that lays out the foundation to create and evaluate utility foundations. Typically, utility theory uses the notation of expected outcomes of a state weighted by the probability that outcome occurs. A multi-attribute utility function is used to represent the performance of an agent over bundles of goods, either under conditions of certainty about the results of any potential choice or under conditions of uncertainty. The problem with this approach is that not easy to access the function, or when accessing a single attribute cardinal utility function using VNM, we ask questions such as what probability to win $2 is equivalent to $1. So to access the foundation, or we have to ask questions such as what probability to win 2 units of value is equivalent to 1 value. The later question is much harder to answer than the former, since involves value which is an abstract quantity. A possible solution is to calculate n one-dimensional cardinal utility functions, one for each attribute. For example, suppose there are two attributes, apples, bananas, both range between 0 and 19. Using VNM, we can calculate following one-dimensional utility. The same V, which is either of the form or of the form, and set its utility to the same number. Often certain independence properties between attributes can be used to make construction of utility function easier.